In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize candlestick and volume colors in TradingView so your charts look cleaner and easier to read. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load your chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart and click on Settings. A settings window will appear. Go to the Symbol tab. Here you can change the candlestick colors. Click on Body, Wick and Border colors to customize bullish and bearish candles. Choose colors that are clear and comfortable for your eyes. Once done, click OK and your chart will update instantly. Now let's change the volume colors. Look at the volume indicator on your chart. Click on it and open its settings. You'll see options for up volume, down volume and volume moving average. Change the colors for rising and falling volume bars. You can also enable the volume moving average and customize its color and thickness. This helps you see volume trends more clearly. After making changes, click OK to save everything. Now your chart looks cleaner and matches your personal style. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.